In this video, I'll show you how to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone. The easiest way is to use Quick Start. Apple says if your current iPhone is on iOS 11 or later, you can place it near your new iPhone and use Quick Start to begin the setup automatically. Your old iPhone should have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on before you start. First, turn on your new iPhone and place it next to your old one. A setup prompt should appear on your current iPhone. Tap Continue, then follow the instructions on the screen. After that, connect the new iPhone to Wi-Fi or your cellular network and continue through the setup. Apple says you may also be asked to activate your cellular service and set up Face ID or Touch ID. Next, choose how you want to move your data. Apple says you can either download from iCloud or transfer directly from your previous iPhone. If you choose iCloud, your apps and data keep downloading in the background. If you choose direct transfer, you need to wait until the move is fully complete before using either phone. Keep both iPhones near each other and plugged into power until the transfer finishes. Apple says transfer time depends on things like your network and how much data you're moving. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.